In this video we are going to find out the integral of x upon square root of x square plus 1. So first of all we will look at the what is inside the square root, which is x square plus 1, and here we are going to use the u substitution method. So in order to apply the u substitution method, we will suppose what is inside the square root. So we can let what is inside the square root. So we have x square plus 1, so we can let u is equal to x square plus 1, and after that we will take the derivative. So we have du by dx is equal to 2x. Derivative of x square is 2x and derivative of 1 is 0. Now we will have the differential du, which is equal to 2x times dx, and we can take this 2 on the other side. So we will have du upon 2 is equal to x dx. Now we can put in place of x square plus 1 this u, but and we can see that we can have x dx over here, so that we can put du upon 2 in place of x dx. Or if we will make some arrangement, so we can write this integral as 1 upon square root of x square plus 1 times x dx, because x dx 1 multiplied by x is x, and we can say this integral as I. Now we can easily put u over here, and in place of x dx we will put du upon 2. So this integral will become integral of I is equal to integral of 1 upon square root of x square plus 1. In place of x square plus 1 we will put u, and in place of x dx we will put this du upon 2. Now we will take this 2 outside of the integral, and we can write 1 upon 2 integral of 1 upon square root of u du. Because this 2 is in the denominator, so we will write half outside the integral, and after that we will write 1 upon 2 as it is, and integral of 1 upon, now square root of u means u to the power half, so we will write u to the power half over here, and after that we will write this du over here. And now we will take this u to the power half to the top, so we have half integral of u to the power minus half du. If we take this u to the top, then this power will become negative, so we will have u to the power minus half. Now we have to take the integral of u to the power minus half, so we will apply the power rule of integral, which is if we take the integral of x to the power n, what we have is x to the power n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus constant, because this is indefinite integral and we don't have limit over here, so we will have to write the constant with this integral. So we will apply this formula to u to the power minus half. So first we will write 1 upon 2, then u to the power minus half plus 1 upon minus half plus 1, because if we have x to the power n, then after integrating we have x to the power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. That's mean that if we raise we will raise the power by 1 and divide by also divide by this power. So now we have x to the u to the power minus half plus 1 upon minus half plus 1 plus c, where c is the constant. Now we will write half, and then minus half plus 1 is half, and in the denominator we also have half. So this half and half will be cancelled out, and we have u to the power half plus c. And now we can write square root of u, because we know that if something has power 1 upon 2 means square root of that thing. So u to the power half plus c will become square root of u plus c, and in this in the place of u we will write x square plus 1, what we have supposed at the top. So the answer will be square root of x square plus 1 plus c.